Welcome to Doktorist App Demo. Let's have a look at how the register patient process goes. Doktorist is divided into three users which can be identified through these icons: the specialist user, the clinic user, and the patient user. Let's try to register as a patient user. Fill out the registration form and click Register when you're done. When Register button is clicked, while the fields that are required haven't filled out completely yet, Doktorist will notify you through a pop-up that there are some fields required. Now let's complete the registration process. And now all done. Very easy. Let's take a look at how the register doctor process goes. Like the register patient process, as a specialist or as a doctor, you need to fill out the registration form and click Register when you're done. Doktorist will notify you through a pop-up when there are required fields that you haven't filled out yet. Let's now complete the registration process. And now all done. Very easy. Same goes for our third user, which is the clinic user. In order to register as a clinic user, you just need to fill out the registration form and click Register when you're done. Quite easy, right? Let's log in as a patient user and update some information on the account. Doktorist will let you know when you typed in your username and password incorrectly. Once logged in, you can upload a photo for your profile and update a couple of information. Click Update Info to save the changes. Yay! We have successfully updated our profile. For the safety of the patients, Doktorist has a clinic verification and profiling feature to ensure that the clinic complies with all the ordinances of Mabalacat City, which is the city they operate in. This is the Verify Clinic User interface, where new registered clinic users are to be verified by admin by looking their account information like location, photo of the clinic, business permit, etc. As an admin, we cannot just verify it because of clinic users' lack of information. Let's go to the app and update the clinic users' information and come back here. This time, I'll show you how to log in and update the information of the clinic user. Newly registered clinic user or doctor user are not verified by default unless updated user info to verify by admin. Let's update some information now. To verify a clinic user, these fields must be updated. Click Update Info to save the changes. Let's add more information about the clinic so it will be verified. All you need to do is provide the information needed like the name of the clinic, building type and time and days of operation. Click Update Clinic Info when you're done. GPS location must be given a value to give the clinic a location and address as it will be shown in the GPS button on the Unverified Clinic admin page. Business permit requires a PDF format only that is saved on your phone, which will be shown on its button on the verification page. The clinic user's information has been updated on the app. It's time to see if those had reflected in the verification interface of the admin and decide if the clinic user can now be verified. For this case, it looks like our clinic user had provided the needed information, so let's verify it. Now let's go to our app to see if the clinic user is now verified. On the app, the clinic user is not yet verified. Let's log in again and see if the verified status is now applied. Viola, clinic user is now verified. Let's see how to update and verify the specialist or the doctor user. Here, the details of the doctor user had been given, so it's time to proceed in creating schedule to inquire verification. Click Update your schedule info to upload the PRC ID photo, the PRC number itself, and the needed additional information. To declare the time scheduled properly, you may pick a clinic first via Google Map button below. Upon picking a clinic location, user can see the time, day, and address of the clinic you wish to create a schedule with. Since the doctor user chose to have a start time at 7 a.m., Doktorist App detected this and notified the user via pop-up. Did you see that? Awesome, right? Here we will demonstrate the time schedule and day conflicts that will be detected. To avoid this, one can use the GPS button text spaces, wherein here, the selected clinic has 7:15 a.m. to 5 p.m. scheduled during Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday only. Let's see the doctor's verification interface and decide to verify or decline the request. This is the Verify Doctor User interface where new registered doctor user are to be verified by the admin by looking at their account information like the PRC number and its photo, expertise, years, and etc. As you can see, there had been creation of 2 schedules via app, where one has PRC license and its photo link and clinic. The other has none, making its link not working, indicated by a black font. Here, before verifying the doctor, we will try to decline the verification request. Please note that the clinic verification interface has this decline option as well, but we didn't show it earlier. Here, we decline the doctor's verification request, removing the entire requested doctor schedule for verification. This may happen if admin saw the doctor user to be unreliable, due to its uploaded data. Let's go back to the app and see what happens. The doctor user we requested for verification was declined earlier, leading to deletion of the account. We may again request via registration and schedule creation. Photo of PRC license of the doctor and filling out the PRC number field is a must, and therefore the crucial credential needed by the admin to verify the doctor user. Let's validate it now in the doctor's validation interface. Let's go back to the app and see if the doctor user is verified. It is now verified, and the verified specialist can now be searched via its specialization. Let's see how the process of patient appointment goes. After going to Finder tab, type in what specialist you wish to have an appointment with. Below will show a clickable list of doctors with their clinics, while on the map shows clickable markers where the clinics are, what time is the schedule of the specialist there, and shows direction where you are. Clicking the markers shows info box that is clickable, so you can start requesting for appointment. Let's say we wanted to book an appointment. A calendar will pop up. You can choose the date you want, and upon clicking OK, it will automatically set you the available time at that date unless the selected date is invalid, like it's a previous date, or the date not specified on the doctor's operating days. It will let you know, and it will request you to try again. Perfect! An appointment was successfully created. And now, this is how it looked like on the doctor's end. This time, I'll show you how the doctor app appointment cancellation would look like. On the doctor's dashboard, you'll see the upcoming appointments. Select the appointment you want to cancel. Pressing the right X button after viewing appointment details will cancel the appointment. There you have it. Very easy, right? After the cancellation, you may go to the History tab and see that the status is now canceled. Click it and a window will pop up for the details. Unlike finished appointment, the details won't have any button regarding medical certificate. Let's have a look at the appointment finish after checkup process. Upon clicking the active or any of the upcoming appointments, as a doctor, you will see a dialog box like this, which will let you mark the appointment as finished by clicking this button. You may go to the History tab and see the latest finished appointment that has a done status on it. By clicking it, you'll see an option where you can press RX to prescribe something to the patient. While the paper icon or the document icon would let you generate a medical certificate file for your patient. Let's check the patient after checkup appointment interface. Go to the History tab, click the appointment you have had as a patient. What I'm talking about here is the completed appointment and not the cancelled one. You may click the RX button to see your e-prescription. You may also see your e-medical certificate if you have requested one from your specialist by pressing the paper or the document icon here. If none, you can also request it here. Let's now go to Patient Appointment Cancellation interface. There are multiple ways to access cancellation of appointment. One is by the Dashboard tab. Second is by clicking the active appointment you want to cancel. Third is by clicking those within the list of the top 4 upcoming appointments. You may click the next icon. Clicking the created appointment leads the patient user to Find Specialist tab and would show the information and location of the said appointment. You would have 2 options, red X icon to cancel and blue-green message icon to contact the specialist. Here, we press the red X button or icon. Successful cancellation will clear the Google Map and so was the search area of the Find Specialist tab. This would also do the same on the Dashboard tab if it's the only present appointment. Let's now check how the patient user chat with bot and specialist goes. After clicking the blue-green message icon, patient can now chat the specialist, but it will be answered by the chatbot first. After the chatbot responds, it will ask you certain questions where you can choose what to respond. The response of the chatbot will be based on what answer you choose from the choices given.